How to view Wendy's menu prices by selecting a location. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to find a location in Wendy's page. Here, select a location, enter your city, state, or zip code. After you have added your city, state, or zip code, press on search. After you've searched, you will find all the stores available near you. Here, after you find the stores, you'll find it on the left side. Scroll down and click on order here. After you click on order here, you'll find menu pop up. Here, scroll down and click on the product you want to purchase. And you'll find it with the prices. You can select different locations and check for prices as well. In this way, this is how to view Wendy's menu prices by selecting a location. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.